go.
All right, now get up.
What's wrong with this picture? Something's not right.
Of course. All right, can you finish putting your pants on? Well, that's not right. All right, do it again. Take the pants off and start over. Do you need help? You want mommy to help you? Daddy can help you. Help him, Daddy.
Take this leg out. Take this one out.
Pants. Why are you so irritable? All right, you can do it now. Put your pants up. Get up and put your pants up. Yay, you did it. Yay. Good job.
There you go.
Yay, good job. Did you put your pants on? Pants. Now you need shoes, right?
And a shirt.
We're just going out here.